Hi, myself Varsha and I'm currently pursuing BSc in Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence at SDNB Vaishnav College for Women, affiliated by University of Madras through Face Prep Campus. I'm here to tell the experience that I have gained in these 9 months in this college with Face Prep Campus. I have not only gained many experiences individually but also as a team. These experiences that I have gained is very much valuable for me now and also for my future endeavors. Initially, when I came to this college, I wasn't much time efficient. It would take me large time to do each and every task, and due to which I cannot maintain my time and would be late for my deadlines. It would be difficult for me to manage at that time. But now I am very efficient in managing time and I could meet the deadlines very perfectly. And not only learning theoretically but also practically. I had very basic knowledge about Python, but now I am very sure that I can do any type of coding possible in Python, and also we are basic learning HTML. We do communication tasks in our class. Our mentor, Nazira ma'am, would give a sudden topic on the spot. We have to prepare whatever we can and speak it before the crowd, which has efficiently improved the ability of me in public speaking. The 2 to 3 events that we have arranged, we were all together and doing tasks. These togetherness gave us a great exposure on working on things. These events practically made us more efficient in doing tasks. Not only that, we have also did many certifications, LinkedIn, Infosys, TCS, etc. This has given us a small knowledge, be very useful for us while we are going to our work, and I have learned a lot of valuable things which will be very useful for me in my future endeavors. I'd like to thank Facebook Campus for giving all these opportunities for us. Thank you all.